welcome back to my channel. It's me Subhangi and you're watching Glam Mermaid. Welcome back to another exciting video, and in today's video we will create a Diwali makeup look, which will be this look. I hope you will like this look. So if you're interested to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. And before moving forward, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And if you like this look, then don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below what you think about this look, obviously after watching this video. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started. So at first I have washed my face with a mild cleanser, and then I have applied a moisturizer and sunscreen. So if you're wearing this makeup during daytime, then make sure to wear a sunscreen and always cleanse your face before you apply makeup, because a clean base is very much important for doing makeup. So now I'll start with a primer, and for primer today I'm using the Mars Hydra Glow Primer. This is the first time I'll be using this. Let's try. It has a dropper kind of packaging. A smell like वो bubble gum होता था ना, it smells like that if I'm not wrong. So apply that. Now it's time for concealer. I do my concealer first generally before doing my foundation. So now I'll do my concealer, and for concealer today I'll be using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Coverage Concealer. So this is not the first time I'm using this, and I have a mixed emotion for this, like mixed feeling whether I liked it or not, because I wore it during Durga Puja and it gave me white cast. I wore for the first time, so I thought maybe kuch problem hua tha. I again wear it another day and it again gave me white cast, so I don't know what's wrong, because I have heard really good reviews about this product, but I don't know. Let's try again. So now I'll apply my concealer. So I have applied it and I have blended the concealer really well, and this is how my skin looks after I have applied my concealer. Now let's move on to the foundation, and for foundation today I'm using the Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation, and I am in the shade 02. It has a applicator. What I'll do is I'll mix this primer, because it's a dewy kind of an Hydra Glow primer, so I'll mix 2 drops of this to the foundation and then mix it, and then I'll apply this. So what it will do, it will give a very satin kind of finish, and now I'll apply it all over my face. Don't forget your neck and your ears. Okay, now I'll blend everything out. Take your time in blending, because blending is the key to makeup, so don't hurry there. Don't drag, just do it in a dab motion. Blended it well, and can you see it's looking so dewy and fresh? Now I'll set my face using a compact powder, and for compact today I'm using this Nykaa's All Day Matte Compact Powder, and I'm in the shade 07 Honey. It has applicator, which I will not use. I'll use a powder brush, and I'll just set the areas which sweat a lot and not the full face, otherwise it will be matte, and I don't like matte looks. So I'll set my under eye area and my mouth area, because this is the area which tends to sweat a lot for me. I'll set this areas only, and yeah, that's it and not more. So this is how my base makeup looks like. It looks fresh and dewy, and I'm liking that. Now I'll apply blush, and for blush today I'm using LA Colors Rad Rouge blush, and I'm in the shade Like Totally, and this is a nice floral, and this is a nice coral shade to have, and this looks very pretty on the dusky skin tones. Now let's move to contour, and for contour today I'll be using a new product. This is the new product. This is the Cups and Lashes Coffee Cakes. I'm in the shade Coffee Date. This is the darkest shade, and finding a contour shade, like if you have dusky skin tone, it's really tough, but this is really dark. So I'll use my contour brush and I'll contour. Okay, it is powdery. I don't know if camera is picking it rightly, but it is very powdery. very pigmented. You have to work with very light hand if you are using this thing, otherwise it will be like too much. I think it's too much, so I'll use my beauty blender and just blend it out. My base makeup is pretty much done, like face makeup, and now let's move to the eyes. And today I am thinking to go for a nude brown sort of look. For my like eyeshadow base, today I'll be using the Cuffs and Lashes Cover Pots, and this is in the shade white, #17. It's a white eyeshadow base. White base is very good for your eye makeup because वो बहुत pop out होता है. If you want your eyeshadow to be popping, then don't set your eyeshadow base, okay? And for eyeshadow palette, today I'll be using this thing. This is Swiss Beauty's 12 Ultra Professional Eyeshadow Palette, and he's in the shade 03. And this is how the palette looks like. It's a nude palette having all sorts of browns. Starting off with a brown shade. I'll be using this brown shade at first as my crease color. Can you see the pigmentation? It's so pigmented. And also the white base is making it more pop out. Intensify the color. Now I'll just blend it out using a softer brown shade. I'll use this shade and blend everything out. Blend it in upper direction. Now I'll be taking a black shade. This is such a pretty black shade. It's shimmery and very pigmented, so I have to work with very light hand. With a very light hand, just blend it out. Now I'll apply this coppery shade to my lids, and I'll use a finger for that. Using my finger, I'll just place this shade in my lid. And now just blend everything out. I'll do the same thing with the other eye and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've done the exact same with the other eye, and now I'll fill my eyebrows. हाँ ये मैं पहले fill करना चाहिए था, but I forgot. That's why I'm doing it now. वैसे it doesn't matter whether you do your brows before or after. I prefer doing it before my eyeshadow. Today I forgot, that's why. Okay, I'm using this Miss Claire's Cake Eyebrow Palette. I'm done doing my eyebrows, and now I'll apply eyeliner. And today for eyeliner, I'll be using Colossal Eyeliner, Maybelline's Colossal Eyeliner. It has a very fine tip which you can easily use. I'll draw a wing. I'll do the same with the other eye. So applied eyeliner in both the eyes, and now today I'll use a falsies. And for falsies, today I'm using this Cuffs and Lashes newly launched eyelashes, and this is the shade Lachung. This is a very dramatic eyelash, so I'll wear this and I'll be back. Before applying my eyelashes, I'll apply a mascara. So this is a Lash Paradise mascara by L'Oreal. So I have applied my eyelashes and it looks so dramatic. I'm loving it. Now let's quickly finish up the look. I will apply highlighter now. And for highlighters, today I'll be using my favorite Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline. Now I'll set my face using this setting spray by Inside Cosmetics. It's very affordable, by the way. Now using a beauty blender, I'll pick up any excess product which might be left after my makeup. So So far I'm loving this look. Now I'll apply lipstick and finish off this look. For lipstick today I'll use this lipstick. It's a very pretty purple color and this is by Stay Quirky and the shade is You Are My Girl Crush. This shade is so pretty. And yeah, that's pretty much about this. I'll just do my hair and I'll be back. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you like this look. This look will go with literally anything. That's pretty much about this video. I hope you like this look. And if you like this look, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And comment down below what you think about this look. And yeah, we'll meet very very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.